Comrades, delegates, my name is Cde Evans, former YO rep for East Rural St. Andrew, and I am supporting Mark Golding because of his ability to connect to the ordinary man. The first time I went to Mark Golding was to get some help for a mentorship program that we launched in Jamaica. And before I left Mr. Golding's office, he was fully committed and on board. Through his generous contribution and networking, we were able to assist and impacted the lives of several at-risk youth across Jamaica. And to date, Mr. Golding is still on board. Mr. Golding is the type of leader that the little man, big man, everybody can go all a reason with. Tell him your ideas, tell him your plan, and he listens and acts. Mr. Golding is the type of leader that people can approach. So comrades, on November 7th, vote for Mark Golding as the 6th leader of the People's National Party. One love.